All right, so 15A, and I'm just going to put my answer key up here so we can see the chart. So you have these values for velocity in feet per second. And letter A says, approximate the distance traveled in the first 10 seconds doing a right sum. All right, so our first subinterval is 0 to 1, so that would just be 1. And then the number on the right is 40. And then the next subinterval from 1 to 4, that would be a distance of 3. The number on the right is 30. Next subinterval, 4 to 6, that would be a distance of 2. The number on the right is 22. From 6 to 7 is 1. The number on the right is 14. And then the last one, from 7 to 10, that's 3. And the number on the right is 8. That actually overall went okay. The issue was the units. This is feet per second. We're approximating an integral, an antiderivative, which means we're going backwards. And also the problem helps you. It says approximate the distance. The distance would just be feet. And had a lot of people leave that off. So just be careful with the units. This is honestly like one of the most important parts to me because I want you to understand what you're actually doing. Like this is a velocity feet per second. We did an approximation of an antiderivative, so you would get feet. Part C, for some reason, most of you remembered the units on that one. We approximated a derivative, an acceleration, by doing a slope. And so those units would be feet per second squared. So you have feet per second, and then feet per second squared. So that was the only one I really felt like I had to touch on. I will take your questions for a few minutes, so that if you want to type one in the chat or you can type it to me privately, that's fine too. Is there another one that you guys would like to look at?